and this one is only magnitude. Now here suppose there is a point in open space. For this three-dimensional axis, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Suppose the point P, his coordinate is x, y, z. So this one is OP. That is, let this one is R. So this perpendicular distance is Z. This one is Y, and O to M is equal to X. This is Y, and this is Z. In three-dimensional geometry, along x-axis, this segment OM is along x-axis, MP, MN along y-axis, and NP along z-axis. So if R is to obtain vector R, this is the position vector of a point x, y, and this is represented as xi plus yj plus zk. In x-axis, unit vector I. Along y-axis, here unit vector is j, and z-axis unit vector is k, and I, j, k are mutually perpendicular. Now say, what is the meaning of unit vector? This is obtained, and this is obtained vector A and magnitude of vector A. Any vector is divided by its magnitude, we get a unit vector. Magnitude of unit vector will be 1. Direction of unit vector along A, and magnitude of unit vector is equal to 1. Suppose 20 km per hour. This is a vector quantity. If 20 km per hour is divided by 20, that is 1 km per hour. That is the unit vector. If 20 times force लग रहा, 20 times force is there, then unit vector along this force is equal to 20 dyne upon 20. That is 1 dyne. So any unit vector can be written as the vector divided by its magnitude. Here, along x-axis, unit vector is I, So OM will be OM, vector OM, magnitude is x and unit vector along x axis is r. Mn is yj and np is z. So this position vector of point P from origin is xi plus yj plus zk. If we can write here, if this one is vector, if this one is vector, we can write xi, we can write yj, and we can write zk. Xi plus yj equal to this one ON. ON is equal to xi plus yj, and this vector added to this vector, then this r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So this is the position vector of any point, position vector of any point x, y, z, that may be written as r that is O of P. This initial point is O, origin, and terminal point is P. So if OP is to be obtained, we can write xi plus yj plus zk. Xi plus yj is equal to this one, and this plus this is equal to, this is the position vector of any point. That is in three-dimensional geometry. So magnitude of OP equal to magnitude of R equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Root under x square plus y square plus z square. For more details, we have already understand that addition of two vectors, addition of two vectors. For this, suppose this is A to B and this is B to C. If this one is vector A, this one is vector B, then addition of two vectors, this one is A plus B. So addition of any two vectors can be represented from initial point to end point. Addition A plus B is equal to this one, that is R. Vector A plus vector B is equal to R. Now, subtraction. B vector B may be written as vector R minus A. Vector A may be written as vector R minus B. This is subtraction of two vector, addition of two vector from AB to BC. Subtraction of two vector, R minus B is equal to A. R minus A is equal to B. So, if this one B, if we write like, suppose CD, A, B and C. A, B and C. So A plus B plus C is equal to that will be another vector like this. What is AD? Here AD is equal to A plus B plus C. If this is a line, if we write parallel to this line, E, parallel to this line, if this is B and this is also B, because this one is parallel, so if you write this one, so this is B and this is A plus BC. This one is BD is A plus B plus C. So we can write AD A plus B plus C and BD A plus B plus C. So both vector A, vector B plus C is equal to vector A plus vector B plus vector C. This is associative properties. Vector A plus B, vector A plus B may be written as vector B plus vector C. This is commutative property. Commutative. And similarly, this one is associative. So in general laws of addition में we will study about A plus B is equal to B plus C. And similarly in associative property A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. If this one is only A, this is B and C, this addition B and C is equal to this much. So we can write if A, B plus C and B plus C plus C. So this is the result for the associative property. Now come here. This is the any point in three-dimensional geometry x, y, z. Its position vector is r, and we can write here. Suppose point P is given 3, 1, 2. Then what will the position vector of this point P? Position vector of point P is equal to 3i plus j plus 2k. So this is OP, this is R is equal to 3i plus j plus 2k. So magnitude of R is equal to root under 9 plus 1 plus 4, root under 14. So any point is given, you can find the position vector from the coordinate. Suppose either point. Now 2 points are given, A and B. Coordinate of one point is x1, y1, z1. Coordinate of B is equal to x2, y2 and z2. So position vector of point B is equal to OB, and position vector of A is equal to OA. So it's addition. This is, if AB is to be obtained as per the laws of addition. What is the law of addition? A, B, this becomes R. So this AB is obtained. Here you can write OA is equal to X1I, Y1J and Z1K. OB equal to X2I, Y2J and Z2K. So this AB may be written as AB is equal to thus OB minus OA. OB minus OA. So we can write X2 minus X1 I plus Y2 minus Y1 J plus Z2 minus Z1 K. This is the displacement vector. This place here